Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to make YouTube shorts with CapCut. So first, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. The first step that you'll need to do is to launch the CapCut app on your device. And after opening your CapCut app on your device, go ahead and tap onto the new project and go to your videos and choose the video that you want to add to your YouTube shorts. So I'm just going to select this one right here and then tap onto the add. So after that, you can go ahead and edit your video in whatever style that you want to. But if you want to edit the format of your video and you want to set it to 9 by 16 size, what you need to do is tap onto the video and then, okay, that is wrong. You can go ahead and tap onto the audio part right here on the bottom part of your screen that says ratio. You can go ahead and tap on to the 9 by 16 ratio there, and then in here you can adjust the video to adjust it to the 9 by 16 size. And then just tap onto the check icon, and if you're already satisfied with the edit of your video, you can go ahead and extract the video from the CapCut. So just go ahead and tap on to the extract or export button on the upper right corner of your screen. And after that, you can go ahead and upload your video as a YouTube short on your YouTube app. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.